Open the lock with the key. Open the door. This video will introduce how to install batteries in a preset cabinet. Pre-install square nut assembly. Pre-install square nut assembly. Open the packing carton. Place the battery on the lifting handcart or on another lifting equipment. Lift the lifting handcart to the appropriate height and move it to the appropriate position in front of the cabinet. Slowly push the battery into the load-bearing tray. Remove the lifting handcart. Install screws to secure the battery. Install screws to secure the battery. Loosen the screw. Install the ground cable. Tighten the screws with the correct tool. Connect each battery in parallel using signal cables. Install the terminator. Open the cover. Connect the negative power cable and the positive power cable. Close the cover. Verify all the batteries are activated automatically with no alarm. The installation of the battery has been completed. Open the limit lever of the door. Close the door. Close the lock and remove the key.